हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं अल्पना आप लोग को अल्पना कॉम्पिटिटिव क्लास में वेलकम करती हूँ। आज हम फिर से टॉप 100 कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो कि आपके होने वाले NTPC 12th लेवल के एग्ज़ाम और ग्रुप डी के एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। और इसके आगे आप लोग को कुछ आएगा भी नहीं यदि आप हमारे सेशन के कंप्यूटर क्लास को अच्छे से कर लेंगे और पढ़ लेंगे तो आपके लिए ही बेनिफिट होंगे। चलिए हम लोग सेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, द फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर हैड वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स एंड मैग्नेटिक ड्रम। An artificial intelligence is associated with which generation? Fifth. The personal computer industry was started by IBM. The fifth generation computing device based on artificial intelligence. In which generation did magnetic disk started being used for storage? Is second generation. The man who built the first mechanical calculator was Blaise Pascal. Computers built before the first generation of computer were electromechanical. Punch cards were first introduced by Herman Hollerith. First generation computer system used in vacuum tubes. Father of modern computer is Alan Turing. Supercomputer developed by Indian scientist is Param. A group of 8 bytes is known as byte. Which is the fastest types of computer? Is supercomputer. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as legacy system. Which types of computer use the 8-bit code called EBCDIC? Is mainframe computer. The earlier calculating device was abacus. Punch cards were first introduced by Herman Hollerith. Microprocessor as switching device are for which generation computer? Second generation. Who has invented a Mark I? Howard Aiken. Second generation computer are made of transistor. Who was the father of supercomputer? Is Seymour Cray. How many vacuum tubes was used if in a 17468? The computer size was very large. Is first generation. What is the extension type of Excel 2007 files are? XLSX. Collecting personal information and effective possession as another individual is known as the crime of identity theft. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called line spacing. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. What is the other name for program chip? Is LSIC. Normal CD-ROM usually can store up to 680 MB data. What does DMA stand for? Direct memories. Full form of LAN is local area network. ASC2 stand for American Standard Code for information interchange. Second generation computer were developed during 1956 to 65. When did Arch Rivals, IBM and Apple Computers Inc. decide to join hands is 1991. What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile is ROM. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computation for it is glitch. Unwanted repetitious messages such as unsolicited bulk email is known as spam. The common name for crime stealing password is spoofing. BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. Who is regarded as father of C programming language is Dennis Ritchie. RAM can be treated as the computer processor is waiting room. Computer manipulated data in many ways, and this manipulation is called a processing. Joshi perfumes are example of uses. The ability to recover and redelete or damage files from a criminal computer is an example of a law enforcement specialist called a computer forensic. Where does most data go first within a computer memory hierarchy is RAM. Help menu is available at which button is start button. Which file contain permanent data and get updated during the processing of transaction is master file. A DVD is an example of optical disc. Which is most common tool used to restrict access to computer system is password. The technology that store only a essential instruction or a microprocessor chip and thus enhance its speed is referred as RISC. What is name of an application program that gather user information and send it to someone through the internet? Spy bot. Who invented analytical engine? Charles Babbage. Blaise Pascal has introduced adding machine. Microprogramming introduced by Maurice Wilkes. Vacuum tubes is the invention of first generation. World Computer Literacy Day is observed in December 2. Which types of computer is the most powerful? Supercomputer. The first computer introduced in Nepal was IBM 1401. Chip is a common nickname for integrated circuit. Which company developed the microprocessor is Intel. The benefits of using computer is that its computer are very fast and can store a huge amount of data. A megabyte is actually equal to 1024 kilobyte. Office land which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected. The use of corporate is WAN wide area network. To move a copy of file from one computer to another over a communication channel is called a file transfer. Last transaction processing system is automated organized used in batch processing. MICR stand for magnetic ink character recognition. Name of first electronic computer is ENIAC. Number of different character in ASCII coding system is 1024. MSIC stands for Medium Scale Integrated Circuit. The scrambling of code is known as encryption. The first computers were programmed using in machine language. A fault in a computer program which prevents it from working correctly is known as bug. Which button makes alphabet letter in uppercase and lowercase and number to symbol is shift. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs its power on self-test. What is the software frequently utilized by end user called a application software? Unit of measurement of output quality of a printer is dot per square dot inch. Switching device of 5th generation computer is VLSI. The unit KIPS is used to measure the speed of processor. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. What is joystick? Primarily in a computer used for computer gaming. Which American computer company is called a Big Blue? IBM. How many bytes are there in a byte? 8. Father of C programming language is Dennis Ritchie. How many generations of computer we have is 5. IBM stands for International Business Machine. Which is fastest types of computer is supercomputer. When you turn on the computer, the boot routine will perform this test is power on self-test. Who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Who is creator of Pascal? Nicholas Wright. Which language is used for artificial intelligence is Prolog. Who is also known as father of jQuery? John Dresize. Which types of computer use the 8-bit code called EBCDIC is mainframe computer. In a computer, most processing takes place in CPU. In which types of computer data are represented a discrete signal is digital computer. Scientific name of computer is Silico sapiens. What is the name of display feature that highlights are off screen which require operator attention is reverse video. Computer combine both measuring and counting are called a hybrid computer. What is Fortran? Is formula translation. What translation and executes program at run time line by line is interpreter. What is convert an entire program into a machine language is compiler. ये हमारा आज का टॉप 100 कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चन थे। इसी के साथ आज का सेशन हम यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय